girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they knew what betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same place I can make them come finish you. Know you be in charge, you just use like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 any people. President's attention, I find when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like Coke on the agent. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm in quick on the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm Coke on the pavement. $1 million, $100, they make them go crazy. Man, bitch on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like this, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. Living like this, they supposed to have.
up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Celie hair and it's been a minute. It's been a cool minute actually since I've worked with Celie, but it's always a pleasure. I've been working with them since I first started doing reviews and it's always a pleasure to work with them. They always have really good quality units and I'm really excited to share this one with you guys today. So today I'm reviewing this HD closure unit and I know what you're thinking. If it's an HD closure, why did you cover it up with all the baby hair? I only did that just because I just wanted to do something a little bit more than just put the unit on, because this is a closure unit. I didn't want the video to be too short because typically with curly closure units, it's very quick and easy to just put it on. You know, once you adhere the unit, you're pretty much done. So I just wanted to add a little bit more to it just so we can have a little bit of an extra style with this unit. But nonetheless, this is the unit. Now, I love the texture of this hair, but yeah, this is a 5x5 closure unit and it is an HD lace closure unit. As far as the length to this one, I'm not exactly sure, but definitely check out that description box down below and I will definitely let you guys know down there what this unit is really giving. The only thing that I'm not a big fan of with this unit is that it does look a little bit on the thinner side, and that's kind of rare for a curly unit because typically with curly units they always look very voluminous, very full, but this one is definitely on the thinner side. This is everything up front here. I don't have anything in the back, and this side is actually thicker than this side because I pulled more hair over here. But yeah, so I would just say for me, I would really prefer if this unit was just a little bit fuller because it does seem a little thin. So I would say that this is probably 150% density. If it is more than that, then you just can see exactly what you would expect with that particular density. So if this is 180% density, this is what Celie's 180% density looks like with this wig. So I would definitely say if you do order this one, go up in the density for it. Do like 200% density. That'll work just fine for you. And as far as customizing goes, I didn't do too much to customize this unit. The only thing that I did to customize this unit was bleach the knots. And as you guys saw, I did over bleach my knots a little bit, but I did correct them using the Clairol root corrector pen. A lot of you guys always ask me, what is that? What is that thing that you're using? What is that? That's a root corrector pen. And a lot of people use it for like their grays. So if you have like gray hair, like a lot of people, they'll put it like on their gray hair, but I like to use that product to help fix my part. Anytime that I over bleach the knots, that's usually what I do to fix it, just so the part is not too wide. So this is what it's looking like up close and personal. Like I said, I just bleached the knots in this unit. I didn't pluck it or anything. I could have definitely plucked it. It probably would have looked better if I plucked it in the front, but I was like, oh, I'm just gonna have it down. So I was like, since I'm just gonna have it down, it's like, it's no real point of me doing that. But yeah, this is definitely what it's giving up close. I still do like it. You guys know me, I always like this kind of wave pattern. But this unit does come with an adjustable elastic band in the inside. And the thing that I like about this one versus the other ones that I've been receiving is that they were smart enough. Celie hair was smart enough to actually sew the elastic band into the unit instead of having like those clips. Because what I've experienced with the clip-in elastic bands, the clip always ends up coming out. You know what I mean? Like I'll clip one side in and then the other side will come out. The other side will be in and then this side comes out. So one thing I like about this one is that it's secure. That elastic band is not going anywhere. It's in there. They sewed it in and it's not uncomfortable at all. And they also give you combs in this unit, and you also have an adjustable strap, you know, the typical adjustable strap in the back. Because you guys know I reviewed a unit not that long ago that didn't have the adjustable strap in the back. All it had was the elastic band in it, and the elastic band kept falling out. So I like the fact that this company made sure that they sewed their elastic band inside, because it's just so important to have that security. Because if I'm going to do a glueless install, I want to make sure that it still feels, you know, secure. So yeah, I do like that about it, and I really like the fit to this one. The fit is perfect. If you're somebody like me who has a small head, you're definitely gonna like this one because it doesn't feel all extra bulky. It's just a really good fit. And I really do like this unit. You guys know me, this is like my signature. I always wear units like this. This is definitely my vibe. And then I just did something a little bit different because typically I just like wet the hair and then allow it to air dry. But today I wanted to keep that wet look. So this is what I used along with some foaming mousse and water. I actually got this conditioner from the 99-cent store. It didn't cost $1, and that's the thing about the 99-cent store. You go to the 99-cent store, half of the stuff in there don't even be $1 anymore, because, you know, inflation. I really like this product though. It smells really good, and as you guys can see, it's really gonna help, you know, define your curls. But anyways, so you guys, I'm gonna stand up and do my little turnaround, give y'all the good old 360 so y'all can see, you know, where this hair is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". I did show you guys a moment ago, you know, what the front looks like. Let's go ahead and give you guys a good side profile view. That's where it's hitting me. The back. And then I'm gonna sit down as well so y'all can see. This is with everything to the back. So yeah, this is what it looks like all to the back. I mean, when you have it all to the back, it doesn't look as thin as it does when you have it all to the front. So there's that. So this is what the ends are looking like. Still very much so pretty. We love it. We live. All the hair off to the side. Like, this is still a cute unit, like, don't get me wrong, okay? And it is HG lace. You guys can't really tell because I didn't put all the baby hair in it, but I was just trying to like make the video longer. I just wanted to make the video longer, y'all. But yeah, and then here's a full view of how much space you actually get. So you get a decent amount of space in the front, which I definitely like. You know what I should have did with a unit like this? You know what I'm going to actually do? The next time I have a unit like this, I'm actually gonna like put some braids right here or something. Like do like 2 cute like braids here, and like maybe get like some pins or something, some clips, and like, you know, jazz it up a little bit. So this is the vibe, you guys. I want to give a big thank you to all of you guys for watching. I really do appreciate everybody who comes to my channel, watches the videos, comments, likes, and you guys just really show me genuine support. And I just want to let you know that I appreciate you. I really do value you guys. And I also want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Celie Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this amazing unit. And if you guys are interested in checking it out and trying this unit out for yourselves, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this hair along with all the details. And if there was something that I didn't cover in today's video, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.